and welcome back to another tech unboxing. And today we are going to be looking at the HomePod Mini, generously bought by my brother. He has a YouTube channel, Loki Diamond, so make sure to check it out on this card somewhere. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Let's cut to this camera, and I guess we should start. Okay, and now I think, yep, it just lifts off like this. Oh, whoa, that's shiny. Okay, so here we have our HomePod Mini, and don't worry, in my future videos, I'm gonna compare the HomePod Mini compared to the Echo Dot 3rd generation, compared to the Google Home, I think. Anyways, all the miniature ones. Oh my god, they come with a brick.
Yes.
Oh. Okay, so by the way, the charging block is white and the actual cord's black, so kind of weird, but it makes sense from a manufacturing standpoint. But yeah, if they ever do start making different colored ones, then that would be kind of cool. So there's my turtles over there. Okay, HomePod Mini. Weird stuff. And then we get an Apple sticker for safety stuff. So you don't get how unsafe, other than like the recording thing, for it can be for such a small, oh my god, for it to be all this. I just don't get it. So, we are going to set it up. I guess he wants to set it up by himself. I don't know. So, I will be back and see y'all, well, right in the next clip.